fund our accounts simply by using our account codes. But ang next question is, saan natin mahanap yung account codes natin? Okay. For some screenshots, we have 4 ways to check our account codes. If you go sa web platform, there are certain parts of the web platform or even our mobile app na makikita natin yung account code natin. So dito, example, sa equities portfolio ba to? Makikita natin yung account code natin. It's between 7 or 8 digits na example, ako last name ko Locsin. So mag-start yan sa LOCS. Tapos first name, Federico, something. So example ito, 14 BPI. Pero dapat walang number yan. So makikita natin yan, yung account codes. So sa reference number natin, we will find we have to input our account codes and then the biller is BPI Securities. Sa SOA natin, if nakakuha din tayo email, nandyan din yung account code dito. So client code is example 14 BPI. So this is just a sample account. Or pag magwi-withdraw tayo, makikita din yung account code dito. So different ways via email SOA or via the platform pag nag-open tayo.